how to convert college lesson to elementary lesson using Magic School AI. So in order to do that, just click on this search right here and search in here for scaffold. So in here, you can see this text scaffolder. So click on this right here. And then from in there, you can see this right here. So for example, we have in here college topic, like for example, mitosis, and you can actually put it on kindergarten. And then number of tutorial questions to ask, you can put in here this one. Let's put 5. And then the maximum vocabulary words to define, also 5. Now you can paste in here the original text. So we have in here mitosis, which is this one. And then from in there, click on generate right here. And then from in there, it will actually generate a scaffold text for this particular lesson. So it will show you this one, mitosis, process of cell duplication or reproduction, and it will ask you also some questions that you can use for this case. So if you think that this actually really still hard for a kindergartner, you can ask it to actually simple it down or dumb it down for you as well right here. You can also in here these actions. You can translate, question, or summarize this one if you want to as well. So that's how you convert college lesson to elementary lesson using Magic School AI.